Siguro po mga kapatid, di nyo pa alam na meron pala dapat gagawin during the profession of faith o yung creed, either the Apostles' Creed or the Nicene Creed. Babasahin ko po dito sa instruction of the general instruction of the Roman Missal. Sinabi po dito, at the words that follow up to and including and became man, all bow. So pag nire-recite po natin yung Nicene Creed, yung I believe in one God, the Father Almighty, etc., etc., pag darating po tayo doon sa phrase na, and by the Holy Spirit was incarnate of the Virgin Mary and became man, sabi po dito, dapat lahat po tayo ay magbabaw, yuyuko po tayo. Sa Apostles' Creed naman, yuyuko tayo doon sa part na who was conceived by the Holy Spirit, born of the Virgin Mary. Ulitin ko po may part pala during the profession of faith na dapat yuyuko, all of us should bow. In the Nicene Creed, yun po yung phrase na, and by the Holy Spirit was incarnate of the Virgin Mary and became man. Tapos sa Apostles' Creed, yun po yung part na, who was conceived by the Holy Spirit and born of the Virgin Mary. So parehas po yung instruction na during that part of our profession of faith, Nicene o Apostles' Creed, yung part na yun na we talk about the incarnation, na yung second person of the Holy Trinity ay nagkatawang tao sa pamamagitan ni Maria, dapat magbabow po tayo. May dalawang klase po ng bow, yung simple bow of the head, tapos bow of the body. During this time, bow of the body, yung half na katawan po natin from this waist up, magbabow towards the altar. So malalim po siya na bow, hindi lang siya bow of the head, pero yung katawan dapat magbabow during this time. I-explain ko po yung reason. Sa atin pong mga Katoliko, ang pinakasentro, isa sa pinakasentro ng ating pananampalataya ay yung so-called incarnation. Kung paano ang Diyos, dahil sa kalooban niya, dahil sa plano niya, dahil sa awa niya, dahil sa pagmamahal niya sa atin, ay nagkatawang tao. Yan po ang isang pinakasentro na pananampalataya natin, na ang Diyos nagkatawang tao kay Jesus sa pamamagitan ni Maria. So si Jesus sa atin ay totoong Diyos, totoong tao. Napaka-importante po ito. So that act of bowing, yung pagyuko po natin ay simbolo na tayo ay naniniwala, tayo ay convinced na si Jesus ay Diyos na nagkatawang tao. We are respecting, we are honoring, we are expressing our faith, our thanksgiving na salamat Diyos at ikaw ay nagkatawang tao. So during this part, at dito lang po na part na tayo po ay yuyuko, magbabaw. Kasi yan nga ang pinaka-importante sa lahat na sinasabi natin dyan sa profession of faith. I believe in God, etc., 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 etc. Ang daming sinasabi dyan. Pero ang pinakamaganda dyan, nasasabihin natin na pinaniniwalaan natin ay yung pagkakatawang tao po ng Diyos. So the next time you go to Mass, please do not forget this. During that time na sinasabi natin, who was conceived by the Holy Spirit, born of the Virgin Mary, magbabaw po tayo. At sa Nicene Creed naman, during that part, nasasabihin natin, and by the Holy Spirit was incarnate of the Virgin Mary and became man. Ang guide po ay, yun po yung part ng creed na ipoprofess natin yung paniniwala natin sa pagkakatawang tao nga ng Diyos. Again, brothers and sisters, importante po ito, napaka mabuting gawin during the Mass, kasi tama naman po, importante sa atin talaga na sabihin na si Jesus ay totoong Diyos na nagkatawang tao alang-alang sa ating kaligtasan. Sana po may natutunan na naman kayo. Please act accordingly. Bow during this part of the profession of faith. God bless. Salamat.